Don't underestimate the power I hide. As I confess, it's the deep in my eyes. I tell you the truth, you can tell through the vibe. Though I keep secrets, there's nothing to hide. I got a confession, I am the king of finessing. Breaking decisions a lesson, oh watch how I work, this society is a blessing. I had to address it, signed by the king of finessing. Breaking decisions a lesson, oh watch how I work, I'm the king of finessing. I just did another one, can't believe that I really did another.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jada. If you're new here, which you most likely are, hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be jumping in to a updated eyebrow tutorial. Like I mentioned in my vlog from before, that I wanted to update you guys as to how I do my eyebrows now, because it's completely different than the way I did it months ago. So I just wanted to keep you guys on the up and up as I am growing. You guys come with me and I show you guys my new techniques and stuff. We're gonna just be catching up and stuff like that, because I haven't done actual like one-on-one conversation with you guys lately. So it's just gonna be me and you talking, catching up. Stay tuned. Grab your eyebrow pomade, pencil, whatever it is that you like to use for your brows, because I'm going to touch on a little bit of everything just so everybody can feel comfortable. So let's jump right in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button down there. Join my little family here that I'm trying to grow here and everything like that. That we are growing actually. Notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget also to stalk me if you will. Well, I'm not gonna say stalk, but if you want to see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I'm making a comeback on Twitter. My Facebook is nothing to really be followed, so that's why I never really put it in there. So let's just hop right in. First, I want to show you guys what you can use. Options are, well, some of the options are to actually do your eyebrows. The first thing is eyebrow gels. See, I have a few of them here. This one I got, this has been featured in one of my videos, but I got this one in my Ipsy subscription. One from Elf. As you can tell, I barely use it, but I have one from Elf as well. Also another option, eyebrow pencils. This one is specifically from Morphe. But yeah, this one is from Morphe, and then this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the thing I like about both of these pencils are that they both come with spoolies at the end. See, they come with spoolies. And spoolies are basically brushes for your eyebrows to help brush them into place. I always use my brow gels, but what I've come to realize when you use brow gels, it just makes your eyebrows it gives your eyebrows that way more thicker approach. If like you have really thin eyebrows, mine are more on the thicker side. If you have eyebrows that are similar to mine, you really don't need these so much unless you're trying to do like a really dramatic look. So this video, I'm going to do one eyebrow still with this, how I use it now, and well, from time to time how I use it now, and how I use my pencil on the other eyebrow to show you the more natural look, so you guys get best of both worlds. I already washed my face, moisturized, all that stuff, so I just have to put primer on. Right now the primer that I like to use is like Pro Girl. I have, from what I've realized, because I sounded crazy in one of my old videos saying like I don't know what skin I have, oily, dry, whatever, but I have combination oily skin. That's what I have. So there's certain parts of my face where I get very, very oily, and then other places where I'm like dry and normal, quote unquote. Let's take a spoolie. Just for time purposes, I'm just gonna use this spoolie at the end of the Morphe. And you're just gonna angle it downwards like that. I like to put a bend in mine because when you first get in the package, it comes out straight like that. And then I like to bend it so that it fits the curve of the eyebrow more when you actually do brush it. I bring you guys in slightly closer. No, that's further. Okay. Hi, and welcome to my face. Alright, so for this eyebrow, I'm just going to brush her up. If you guys want to know what I do like to my brows to maintain them, I tweeze them myself, or if I don't feel like tweezing them, I get them threaded. So that's what I do. I'm gonna use the, what is this called? BellaPierre Cosmetics eyebrow pomade. Why does this camera ever want to look at this? And it's in the color Licorice. Take a curved brush from, where are you from? BH Cosmetics? I believe you're from, yeah, this is from BH Cosmetics. Zip it into there a few times. Since with that product that we took off, because it's well, not a lot, but it's more than what you want in the front, because obviously you want the gradient of it to be darker, lighter to darker. So since you first pulled off the product, what I recommend is starting towards like the middle to the end of the brow and then work your way back forward from there, if that makes sense to you. So just trace literally right underneath. Now don't be afraid. Sorry, that's don't be afraid if you mess up. That's what the concealer is for. And you see I'm making my way forward, and as I go forward I'm using like a lighter hand, and you can see that's a little bit more of a gradient, a little bit of product left. I'm just gonna go at the top here and just trace the shape that I want and fill in from there. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there with filling in, and I'm gonna go back in with the spoolie. And we're just gonna take the product that's at the bottom here, and we're just gonna lift it up so that this line right here doesn't look so harsh. It's basically cleaning it up a little bit before we go in. Sorry, my scarf is like getting in the way. There we go. That's much better. So yeah. But basically, like, the magic, in my opinion, to the brows is the concealer. In the spots that you feel like you need more product, obviously, you know, more product. Yeah, in my vlog, I know I said, I was going to show you guys, like, how I dyed my wig and all stuff like that. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough storage to, you know, to basically record the whole thing for you guys, and my camera wasn't cooperating with me that day. So when I do another wig, I'm going to show you guys how I dye it and basically put the whole thing together. Hopefully you guys will like something like that, because it's obviously something really different compared to everything else I've done on this channel. I'm going to go a little bit more now to the front. And to be honest with you guys, you could stop. But I'm trying to show you like a more dramatic brow. So there you go. So that's that. And with the concealer, I know you guys have seen like these types of eyebrow tutorials like a million times, you know, but I want to show you guys both ways that you can do your eyebrows, you know. It's not just a one-way thing to learn. There's multiple ways to do your eyebrows, not just one. And I hope you guys know that. Be yourself. Do it. Make sure do the method that makes your eyebrows, your face look the best. You don't have to do it what everybody else does. Tarte Shape Tape. I know it's canceled, but hey, your girl's on a budget. It's what I got. I don't got time to be going out to the store and buying brand new stuff when I still have concealer at home. So when I run out, that's when I'll get new concealer. And like that, that's probably like 2 little strokes. And I'm using another angled brush, a different one. This one, I believe, I don't even know where I got this from, to be honest. I really don't. So basically what I'm gonna do is trace the bottom of the brow and clean up all the spaces that you feel like you made some mistakes, like there. Cover that up a little bit, cover that harsh line just a bit. You know, do what you feel like your eyebrows need. I'm just like recommitting myself to YouTube because I've honestly felt like really lost lately, career-wise and everything like that, because I want to try so many things and it's hard to just focus on one thing when you're interested in like a million things, you know? There, after I drew the initial line, I went in because there's excess concealer there. So what I went in is I took the brush and I just pulled down where I feel like it's kind of heavy, and you just want it to be even cleaner, you know what I mean? So I'm focusing with YouTube as, yes, I want this to be a career one day, like have a nice income coming in from it, but I also don't want to lose the enjoyment of it for myself, you know? If you want to stop there, you can stop there, but we're gonna do this for the extra people out there that like their eyebrows to... So we're gonna go back into the same concealer because obviously you wouldn't use the whole amount that you took there. Take off a dab amount. I'm taking off like a little bit. Rest of it, just go up top.
I've been giving y'all everything. I ain't giving up anything. No, the goons ain't heavenly. This the king of finessing. See, I got a confession. I am the king of finessing. No time for the stressing. One thing I know is counting my blessings. I got a confession.
So that's basically it for that. And then I'll go in with like a beauty blender or a brush. Obviously it's gonna be the brush. And clean that up. Alright, so this eyebrow is all blended out. I think it looks very, very beautiful. Especially if you like added like a eyebrow highlight and stuff like that after you're done with your eyeshadow. It'll come out very pretty. So that's that eyebrow. So now we're gonna go to the one I do now more like often. So literally I just take my Morphe, that's upside down, my Morphe eyebrow pencil in the color Chocolate Mousse. And it's basically this, the start is like the same. This is the eyebrow I have more troubles with, so if you guys see me struggling, that's why, because this is the eyebrow that it's the bad kid out of the two, you know, it's the bad sister out of both sisters, you know what I mean? So It's basically the same concept. Take the end of the pencil, start from the end, make your way towards the front, and as you go towards the front, use a lighter hand, like lighter strokes.
I got a confession. I am the king of finessing. Breaking the scenes just a lesson. Watch how I work, this society is a blessing. I had to address it. Signed by the king of finessing. Breaking the scenes just a lesson. Watch how I work, I'm the king of finessing.
Watch how it work. Leave it all in the verse. When it's not on the shirt, fans keep me going berserk. Coming crazy, motherfuckers feel it. Hold it down for the fucking realest.
Basically what I'm doing now is just filling in some of those empty gaps that I see. And you see how here it's like my brow kind of dips off, like it looks really sad. So I like to fill in the top here so it can look a little bit more cohesive. So that's it basically for that eyebrow. And then with these, I don't do concealer, so yeah. If anything, I'll do the eyebrow highlight when I'm either highlighting my face or when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Depends on the look. But if you guys want to add concealer to the natural, just pencil brow, you can. You can. Let me put you guys out of my face. So you guys get the basic, you know, dramatic eye, natural everyday eye. So yeah, that's basically my brows. So I'm going to finish my face. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but I'm gonna finish my face and I'll be right back with you guys to sum everything all up. So alright guys, so I'm back with my full face on. You guys will see a tutorial soon on how I do what my foundation routine basically is. Brows after everything is all said and done. Personally, I believe that this brow looks better with the look because more intense eye. This eyebrow looks a little bit more complimentary to it compared to this one in my opinion. And on top of that, I feel like this eye came out better than this eye. So these are what the brows look like at the end. So remember, natural, more glamorized, I would say, on this side. So if you guys liked my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and like I said at the beginning, please don't forget to subscribe. Show your girls some love. You guys show me love, I will show you guys some love back. I appreciate it so much for you guys even watching my videos in the first place. So please stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos. Like I said about this year's gonna be bomb. So far, there's more videos. We're gonna be getting to know each other better and everything like that. So yeah. So don't forget to subscribe, and I love you babies. I will see you guys soon, and yeah, see ya.